izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngesite kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka.
Another week, another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Sesiphinde sabuya sithi yes yo, and angihamba ngedwa ngihamba no Ashchild Africa.
Sithi yippee yay. Kama lami Ashchild Africa. Welcome everybody to another awesome week. And isisekhaya lisha-ke namhlanje ozokamnandi. Shaya umoya.
Our new space, Creative Unplugged, Movies Media. Sithe ukumove nje. Yabo leyo. So asekho lokwazi ukuthi sikhona. Sesikwelinye ikhona. Siyakuthanda ukushaya ikhona.
Yeah. We are Sister Morningside manje. We have a beautiful big studio. So nje even if uthi nje GWM lapho ufuna photo shoot yabonyana imoto yaziyangena imoto please guys.
Lalela asibathathe njengamanje sibabeke kwitho babone studio senifake kwitho Hey mfethu abantu babhizi ngiyabona laphana kune event esivele sathi kwathiwa hayibo Creative Unplugged siyanidinga nibe khona nibe part of this event ngomhla ka6 June Wave of the City.
Yeah mfethu I saw that the Wavy 8 is doing amazing. I saw they khona Obi Magic.
Yeah Celestial Mike laphana.
Yeah.
uBon Hustler laphana bahlanganisile kwathiwa sizobe sise Bet Center.
At the Bet Bistro. And then it's going to be activation on 6.
Oh, nice.
Activation, right?
Yes.
Because the actual event is at the warehouse.
Yeah.
In December.
Yeah. So they're going to have open mic. They're saying if you rap, amafuna ukuzongena sithi noma ubani unaso sakhe skill. Fika laphana ushare yakhe track and then kune prize even where small ukuthi bayithandile ingoma yakho.
500 rand or
500 rand.
Imali mfethu imali leyo.
Izoba ibuya ngalelo suku kahle
I hope to see you on stage dog.
Ngizongena stage ngidlulisa message ngiyobe ngihot ngibafrag kwipen njenge sausage.
Isho. Hey mana ngabe uyagula ngizongena lapha stage.
Hayi ngizongena stage.
Sizobona live ukuthi uyagula.
Yeah, ngeke nawe vele ngalolo suku
zobe ngithi kanje same day Bet Center ngala ehall enkulu mina ngizobe kuthiwa iGqom Youth event experience.
Oh, okay.
Social asembizo lapha it's shy event imthokona. I'm going to be on the decks there. Ngibona ukuthi khona noThobeka.
Oh nice.
And other people. Yeah. So it's kanje.
Usuku olubhizi.
Usuku olukhulu.
Hey.
Usuku olukhulu.
But I can't wait for us to introduce our guest today.
Ay,
noma ngibonile ngingena ngithi ngo-1-2 we-mic laphana ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi siphethe isikhokho sami.
Isikhokho City.
Everyone put your hands together. Let's all welcome Welcome on the Creative Unplugged podcast.
Thank you for having me. It feels so good to be here. It's like a breath of fresh air. The
nice.
Colors, yeah, I feel good.
Ubhizi ngani lezi nsuku?
Oh man, we're getting right to it.
Yazi ukuthi nje ngifuna ukuthi
ngoba
siyabona bra umsebenzi.
Awukaze vele ume ngomsebenzi ngala.
Awukaze. Ngibhizi ngani ngibhizi ngenjalo. Ngibhizi ngenjalo right now. But kuningi I'm also in the studio. I'm conceptualizing a music video for your Ninjalo.
Nice.
I'm doing podcasts. I'm telling it up with you guys.
Yep.
Yeah, kuningi. But all in all, I'm just creating.
Yeah, tell us more about the song uthi feature ishobani ngibonile ezinye intokazi lapha.
Yeah, so Injalo, Injalo is the latest song that I'm pushing right now. Ngifeature Musli and Upuzili. Yeah, fire.
Hey, Babu Musli, bro.
Yeah, she's an amazing woman. She's an amazing woman. So yeah, those are the two females that I'm featuring on the song. But Sinjay, even way back, I've always been like that person. If it's under feature, like I'm an artist. You name an artist in Durban, I've probably worked with them.
Yeah.
Even in Joburg hip hop space, I've probably worked with, especially females.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Let's give them injalo njengamanje bezwe taste ukuthi masikhuluma ngale track le. Nisha ngithanda le walk le dance yakho lo sinisha kanje.
Yes, Dubai. No scripts, bonk.
No scripts.
So sesikhupha negoli lapha.
Who's on the beat?
Das Beats.
Oh, Das
Okay.
Beats.
Oh, no. My bad. So it's a collaboration between Das Beats and Filamen.
Oh, Filamen and Das Beats.
Yes.
Nice sound.
Collab.
Yes.
G in the game, no kizzy.
Just rhymes and melodies. Flow criminal felonies. Why but don't tell me enough for the remedies. Yeah, put to accuse. But he excuse me, on speed that section exclusive, all inclusive. No new peeps, but intrusive. So spine as a productive. Yes, pushy production. I want a production. I'm white, Miss Gabby extension. I'm yes, sir. Thank you.
Hey, this song is fire. Angisimanje ngikhumbuza le mpahla.
So actually, let me just like run you back, guys, to how the song happened.
Yeah.
So sasise kule Shandisleya Tucson, the studio camps.
Okay.
So Skills invited me there because I'm really close with the Skills. He's like, Nels, hip hop, what the face? Yeah, chill with other creatives and Jay. Pulled up there, and then obviously no Beastie, no Philamen, and while the house is happening and the gom is happening inside, I saw Philamen, yo, yes, Nels, the corner Shandis, everything pets, like it's in a lal. It's a ding 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 ding. That's what it was.
Yo,
I'm like, yo, this is nice, and it's just looped. It's like a couple of seconds. I'm like, yes, airdrop it to me. So I'm Udasti is very good with like the bass line and the drums and everything.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what I did. The next day, fair with Udasti fucking now it's like a full-on beat, and I'm like, you know what? I've been talking with the girls really to get them on a song.
Yeah.
Umuzli, we've worked so much with Umuzli, like since 2018. We worked on like 4 songs together. And then Upuzili, we met at the D Koala show in Joburg.
Oh, dope.
So when we met again, females,
Yeah, D is also pushing really
hard. So we were in Joburg for her events she was launching. And then we connected with Upuzi. And like, you know what? We need to hop on a song. So Vele, when this song came, I'm like, showcase mostly because of the Skanda, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then Upuzi bringing that Spito-rich vibe.
Yeah.
So we hooked up a studio session in Joburg. We drove up with the guys, but no dusting. We're like, you know what? We're going to get there and we're going to set up because that's how I want to move lately. Ndabe usuzong sendeli MP3. Bese ngiyayilalela ke ngedwa bese ngiyarecord. We need that vibe. So we created that and it was so dope. And that's how the song
I saw the session like amashidamasani khona niyenza laphana.
Sahlupha. Hey, fines okay for his sound. But I think it was worth it.
Yeah, big time. It's a hit song. Yeah. So njengamanje yatholakala all streams, social media platforms.
Yeah, all DSPs it's available.
Yeah.
We're working on a video right now.
Oh, nice.
DJ Zintle recently like also commented on the reels that we've been pushing, and I'm trying to get her on board for EE era. So
yeah,
this is it's a team. So I'm trying to get her on board. We're working on conceptualizing for EE music video so that Eric can be a part of it.
And the girls, because Musli is the creative director for Era. How Musli? Yes. Musli is already on board.
Exactly. Yeah. No, but it's gonna happen. I have like a very positive outlook, especially on her response as well. Like with DJ Zintle with it. So the girls are gonna come down to Durban, and then we're gonna shoot soon.
Nice. Nice.
We are both scaling a fire, Shan.
Yeah.
Manje ngifuna Homeland la sibathathe sibathole ukuthi okay usuka kephi nendawo like i-background yakho please njengoba unefire ngiyakhumbula ukuthi before siqale lapho nje ukuthi like there was a time sisakhula ngiyithola ngishaya i-track nawe sisemangosuthu we did a song together. Usuka kephi nendawo?
So I'm going through such a journey right now where I'm like also just going back to like where am I really from? But ngazalelwa eMsinga.
Oh, Msinga.
Yes. So my mom had me eMsinga with my dad. Ubaba kodwa ubehlala eMfume. So bahlangana ngendlela abahlangana ngayo. So kodwa ukuzalelwa kwami ngazalelwa eMsinga. And then at 2 I moved to Mfume, which is in the south coast of Durban, like asemkababa.
Oh yeah.
Nje Mkababa uthi Ifracom uthi Mfume. So that's where I grew up. I grew up on with my dad's side of the family Mfume nje from 2. And ngifunda eToti, ngifunda koWona Bishi, ngifunda koMangosuthu eventually, and that's where I found music here Mangosuthu.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So I was super amateur when we met, but at that time I was writing poetry.
Yeah.
So when I went to varsity, that's when I could like express my poetry. kubantu abashaya ama-beats.
Yeah.
Because mina bengingakwazi ukuthi mfethu ngizoma bese kuthiwa like poetry.
Yeah.
No, I couldn't do that. So I needed that medium, which was a beat, and that's how it came about. So we turned the locker in Eloquema we turned it into like a studio. So it's like 84. It was nice. So
and you were nice. Putting young Garabi me short. You invesalisha.
That's the thing. And then it's just to grime and it's all a piece. If you grime but it was dope. That part was dope.
Like from Mangosuthu and then uthoma uqede isigele ubushayani khona lapha.
Oh ngoba naleyo part MUT. So MUT ngangena ngishaya iMac. Mechanical engineering.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then I fell in love with music second year. Lapho angiqala ke manje yabo sengahlanya ke. Yes, and that time kwakusangena nje Instagram and then kwangena the hustle was like you must send a 15-second audition what cabanga ngo 15 seconds uthi yini ungayirapha ngo 15 seconds, but I was so hooked on music ngayisenda leyo 15-second video yimi lo yasengithola sengishortlistiwe manje with the hustle. So now ngibhizi la neMac ngisabhizi nayo futhi ngiyayipusha nje futhi like it wasn't like a struggle so nje kwangiphasa nje ayabo ngeke ngisho kanjalo kodwa nje we were flowing yabo. And then now this thing comes and yabo mozama ukuyichaza lento ekhaya ukuthi first of all contact to Instagram. Lo ngichazela ugogo njalo because ngikhule nogogo mina. So manje kulo Instagram lo ngingenele i-competition kanje. Manje bafuna ukuthi ngo Friday mhlawumbe njengoba kuba nje lesingane namhlanje u Thursday. No. Mhlawumbe ngimtshela ngabo Tuesday kanje ukuthi ngo Friday kuthiwa nefanele ngihambe nge-airport ngihambe uthi nje ubona la ingane izongihlanyisa. You know, so I had to like convince her. I called my aunts ngithi kune competition kanje nabo ke bangena ku social media ba verify and I had to pause kancane iMac and just take this chance. And they allowed me to do that because very like ngizobuya ngiqhubeke yabo. But this thing was like a once in a lifetime thing and I won't lie, I was deep hitting them ngangibapressa kanje. So bavuma ke and then so that took a pause iMac and then ngahamba ngaya with the hustle ngapusha lapha kwakunzima nakhona. Like I was weighing over my head. But yeah, it was a great experience. And then I was the last female standing wada and then kwafika isikhathi ke ngabuya and then ngaqhubeka futhi ngaqeda ke with the engineering and stuff. But yeah. And there's engineer nje phela nje bethu official.
Kodwa manje work wise awukazi ulibele uphushela kwe-arts ku-music mhlawumbe like
no, I'm not gonna lie to you. Work-wise, I'm deep in the engineering space as well.
Okay, nice.
I always say with me, my ideal week is like I spend 2 days we engineering and then 5-day week 3 days creatively.
That's
I
nice.
wish I could get to that space where I'm like this is how, but I like the things that it does to my brain, so I'm never going to leave that space as well, even if we something on the side or whatever, but I like that challenge of engineering space that it does to my brain, and then I can escape with the creative side.
Because manje siyavelela as creatives sitshela ukuthi ayitholani something lento yenu uyabona ukuthi phela ngisibufuneka kubuye ingane zidle kufuneka uthenge something. So it's manje phela iart nokuba uyabona lento angenjalo imali, so you have to find something noma kuthiwa akuwona 9 to 5 usebenzisa qualification yakhe ukuthi kube nento ekugenerate imali or a business or ama skills akhe aqashwe somewhere kodwa uyazi ukuthi okay ngiyashutha ngenza ukuthi kodwa ngumrapper futhi ngala eceleni yabona. So just to do more ungayithola usekhoneni lokuthi we creative kodwa lingenzi
futhi oyisho le ngqondo ngiyibona mfethu ibalekile yazi because most focus kakhulu kwi-art. It's not wrong, but I feel like you find yourself not even social media and stuff. There's a study that was done ukuthi it's actually decreasing our attention span, and mina ngithola ngasazi ukufunda sentence nje scroll and was of sentence ayodwa. So I think that's
true. I mean, I always thank my grandmother and or aunt for like just saying it's okay because let me show it's me. And the thing is, COVID showed me yo dog, if if ukuthi i-art yona focus kuyona, i-depression izokushaya. I've been there.
Yeah.
Trust me, I've been there. So you will get depressed by this thing that you love the most because you're not making a living from it.
Yeah.
So I always encourage, even like there's kids, you know,
You are.
but I always encourage them as well. Ukuthi funda. Or even mhlawumbe ngathiwa awufundi into like mina ke engineering nje was where like it was separate yabo from the arts, but ifunda at least ke into in line with lento ufuna ukuthi uyenze, but just kubalekile mfethu ukufunda and kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ube ne steady income while you chase this dream, because it can get hectic and you can get depressed for real. Yeah.
It's information in years of faith, in years of my creative. Everyone is listening. Injayele balekile ukuthi sibonisane indlela singacula singakwenza konke kodwa egcineni kosuku.
Yeah.
Let's asifundisaneni.
And I want to get a bit real for a second, because we your accolades really they speak for themselves, and something. But then, how did you overcome a depression? Because there's definitely people watching that are creatives. Because I want to just dig a little deeper there.
Yeah.
How did I do it? Your dog. I was just taking it one day at a time. But into AI depressed kakhulu, I had to get to the bottom of what is really like making me like feel like this, and it was basically because anginayo imali. That's what it just had to boil down to. Ukuthi ngisho noma ngifisa ukuthi ngihambe ngiye ku-studio session, anginayo imali yokwenza lokho. Ngisho noma ngifisa ukuthi ngishoot like a music video, anginayo imali yokwenza lokho. You know what I'm saying? So I had to see ukuthi okay, kahle root cause yayo yonke le depression ukuthi anginayo imali. And then I had to now be active ukuthi let me put music to the side and let me just start applying endaweni. I remember my first job was like at JJ's. There was JJ's.
Oh, JJ's.
Yeah. Exactly.
See refinery man.
Yes, they rebranded. But now that enabled me ukuthi okay, ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole studio time. Ngikwazi ukuthi nami mfethu make to khona event ethile nami I'm pulling through. Yes, ngithenga ama fake band lapha yana yabo pull it through. You know what I'm saying? But that's part of the hustle. So how you overcome that? Oh, okay. And I won't lie. I had a very good support system. Yes, I had a very good support system. My cousins, my boyfriend, my family as well. Yeah. So ngangithi nje mo ukuthi ngiyakhala support nabo futhi in whatever I wanted to do. So that, and then just putting your pride to the side. So this funny dog. Ngisho noma bethi you folding clothes. My grandmother told me ukuthi ngisho noma bethi uyafolda lapha make sure ukuthi ufolda ubest. Akekho umuntu ozokudlula. So that's me what I did. And I just took it one day at a time. I went to interviews. Ngathola leso Spanish esincane esengikwazi ukuthi manje ngishoot ama music video. I-budget isiphuma kumina because we mustn't take this thing lightly, independence as well.
Being an
indie is tough. Being an indie is tough. Yeah, we make it look glamorous, but
it's rough. It's because yonke into iphuma kuwena.
It's tough. Yonke into iphuma kuwena, and there's times where you will see, "It's okay, how nice I'm check," but honestly, that is not even for you. Yeah, you know, that's not even for you. Bank it, Kokela no producer, because also that's another thing. What's Kokela no producer, guys? And if it's even though you know what's the producer, I'll tell you this, guys, up front. Udust is worth a lot. Yes, Udust beats. Not even when it comes to Ama beats, kakulu, but when it comes to just the production and the vocal production and engineering, he is dope. But I know I can't afford what he's really worth. But I just make sure he sees the work, and every now and then, yes, exactly. So that's really important. Now, if you don't have that, then
and ngibalekile mfethu sibe fair ngempela, because nami there was a conversation I was having with another artist. She was like, usibani bani yonke kodwa ingeke uyabiza sifuna namkhokheleni guys, because now umsebenzi uyalimala and we want to elevate Durban, we want to elevate our craft. So kubalekile sikhokhelane nje mfethu sibe in the sorry.
No, I was just saying in order for us to sikhokhelane kodwa kumele kube
khona something.
Because nakhona mfethu akukho mnandi ukuthi uyi-creative ungakwazi ukumkhokhela omunye umuntu. Now sometimes you really wish I could pay you, but I can't. So that's why ngithi mina kubalekile ukuthi ngempela kube nento on the side that is fueling this thing, so that we can all take each other seriously, benefit of food.
And there's something profound about paying for a service. Even the things that you pay for, they come back in abundance. Because njalo mohlezi ucela ama favor, first ongilokhunjisela ozorecordela ongirecordisa mfethu, and then but manje mo buyina into ikhokelile ukuthi yenze njani. Yabo, whatever you put in, it comes back.
Yeah.
I agree.
Whatever you put in comes back. So manje fethu music video, who's conceptualizing it? Who
Hey, right now we're in the planning stages. I don't want to mention someone and then Omunye feels bad.
Yeah. That's my call.
Because we are. I'm actually right now working with 4 videographers.
Oh,
Four
nice,
videographers and separately got I would bonke in one space separately because I'm trying to see who can really give me this
What you
this
need.
thing that I need. I've worked a lot with Isaac, Isaac Kalinda, Isaac K.
Oh, Isaac. Okay,
Amazing. He
Isaac.
shot amazing. He shot styling featuring Nadia Nakai. That video. I feel like that's one of my best videos.
Yes.
Genesekwa featuring Tony Diamond in the low script.
Oh, nice.
He shot that as well. So Nakona, this time around, I'm also like, speaking with him and I'm speaking with other like producers as well. Kona nalaba tibe shootist like abona but I'm trying so hard to just keep it here in Durban as well. So I'm talking with the Slaka guys as well. Sorry. And I'm just trying to see who can really bring this thing to life. So there's no set person. I'm having meetings as well after this. Right?
It's on brand.
Right. It's on brand. But yeah, they really need to pull this off because like I have powerhouses there in the video. I have Umuzli. If you check Umuzli, Sponsor Umuzli. So you can't just yes, because this talking metro is just like So now I have to make sure Hispanic, I don't compromise on Hispanic. So I'm still working with I'm a producer Maningi right now to see who can really give me this thing that we want. And then we'll take it from there.
Ngifuna ukuthola nangale ama nominees.
Yeah,
ukuthi ubonominate yiphi ingoma lapha yana.
Capcom.
Angibone kwi profile like
award.
Yeah,
it's
award.
Yeah, I might say hip hop awards mainly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, girl.
Okay.
Yes, girl. I think I've
When
had
was
like
it?
it was in the top. My first song
Oh,
that I did
yes.
independently.
Yeah.
The top. See, I never had a lot,
Hey.
but I gave it all I got.
Hey.
And now I'm headed to the top. And you say, yeah. And I perform like like isingisi ngasiza so that was crazy. So I was nominated for that, which was the best female and best music video. I worked with the Cube. I'm not sure if you guys know Cube. Yes.
Oh.
So I worked with the Cube. Sorry. All right. So I worked with the Cube on that. Yeah. So I was nominated for his, but it was a while ago. I think 2017 and then 2019. And then so we even performed Njegwana, I might say hip hop awards.
Oh, nice. Yo.
Kwangeni twape ngini. You must go watch that clip.
Were you wearing your signature costume?
Face. Kwangeni twape. Manje sekumele ngiphenduke phela ngibuyele emuva.
Keep a
Crazy.
What would you say about the awards? In general, because there's a huge thing going on right now. Zingomalo, I was nominated for 7 awards and she didn't even win 1. Nelly Apiwe also was nominated and Nontokozo Mkize. But what do you think about that?
I have mixed feelings, I won't lie. Because I love the concept of AMA Awards and appreciating Abantu and stuff. But then ever since that Mabala era, I'm not gonna lie, they've lost their credibility. It's just something that I told myself as an artist. If it comes, it comes. And then also like Pelabantu must vote at the end of the day. So you can't really complain because she's in clap abantu abavotanga. Kodwa futhi nakhona siyayazi Mabala era ukuthi kwake abantu bayathenga. So nje ingqishi tongayazi. So but mina so I feel like especially with Uzi and Ona Lady Osis bethu ukuthi they must focus. Can you post? I posted Lucy, and then she was like, "God, you're confusing me. The numbers are doing this, and I didn't win awards. But then take the numbers.
Yeah, because that's the actual tangible thing. I'm awards if it's exactly. She can be confused because she's saying she did campaign, but I don't think I saw Z campaign. Yeah, I was like, because there's something that she said. Like, I'm defending what's happening.
No,
ungazi. Sometimes ungazi. Umshilo ungazi because ngisho noma bekuthu frustrated kanjani nami kade ngisho hawu black members hawu legendary kodwa ngiyazi ba legendary so khona ezinye izinto nje bese so that you just like you know that's why the credibility nayo angisay understand because yabona sasingangeni
I think ama-artist emele efunda ukuba media trained. Or I think that's the thing I can be.
But then nami ngiyayikhulumela ke zi-artist, because at what point do you then speak your mind?
Yeah, that's
you
true.
know, at what point do people get to know the real, like you? Yes, it's more good to feel like
but there's a way. I feel like sometimes there is a way because of saying imambazo leyo. Yeah, it should I'm sure nakabazi maybe saying God, it's contradictory. I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
No khona vele indaba yokuqoja ama.
Mina sibenza wethu abona bekuje mphathi mina sibenza wethu aziba ne credibility ke lawo. True. Creators Unplugged Awards.
Because the concept is amazing. Yeah. The concept is amazing. Appreciating abantu abazamile to contribute to this music thing. But now if people are buying awards, then it's just like, what's the point?
Yeah, it has to be. People can't be buying awards because now it's like, what are you doing? There's no credibility. Kunzima ukuphila kuba sancile
Fethu yazi ukuthini fethu unabo ngeke baze babe yilento abayiyona without music. At some point kumele behle mfethu and just meet ama artists halfway, like they let it be credible. At least show us the system, the criteria, like ababe transparent.
Exactly.
Because siyadingana sonke, you can't have awards without music.
Yes.
You can't.
Exactly.
Ngifuna singenela kuma collaborations ngoba ngizwile khona nengoma ukuyithinta ngathi benenza no script no
Yes,
no Tony.
No Tony. Tony Diamond.
Tony Diamond.
Collaborate.
Ngoma le.
Je sais quoi.
Okay. It's always session sound.
My neck.
Hey girl.
Down to the toes.
Le drip lo ishaye ni blue face semafili fethu
lapho sikhuluma nge-drip i-drip icatha from my head down to the toes.
Yamazi
ke message
shout out to the scripts.
Scripts pushile mina scripts must from 2008 I think or 7 or 8.
That's my G.
Mina coach wakho basketball.
Ngomhliko.
Yatha ke futhi akithi. Mina ngicabanga mfethu ke-10 angeke ngiqamba manga kodwa yes, I wasn't in Durban, ngangisema farm.
I'm sure if you were here you would.
Yeah.
I would have definitely. And then when I was here, cause khona enye reze ngangihlala kuyona every nice sense. Mhlawumbe abantu
Every nice sense.
Ukahle.
Every nice sense.
We had lapho skills ngamazele renaissance.
Was it no
skills bayihlala renaissance naye.
Okay.
Sisigqobho. So when I was in Durban, I did attend DPAT Center. But then at that time, I think I had already discovered that I'm not the battle
person
artist. But I enjoyed the space. I would pull up my events. No Zagwe recently hosted the locals in the O31. I don't know who's it. But Jane, I attend
no 2 years on it.
That's dope.
Yeah, boy.
Because Jeremiah is in the Hood
squad. I saw that as well. That is fire. So I attend that because I remember even the other one was I attend that corner or locuzana or music. It was a Banbani edition. So I attend that for my own life, but I'm not a battle.
And also busy with Snada go Joburg.
If I'm around, I always make sure I
I had a nice experience with working with so and so.
It's quite a few.
It's
quite a few. As challenging a professor.
Oh, nice.
Professor. So I worked with the professor on Upambene. Upambene with MSK.
I know that song.
That was such a vibe. So that collab was the first time out of hip hop.
Yeah.
So that was, for me, it was nice. And Diguyazi, or Professor, how they move. So I got to experience like a big production music video. Yeah, but no directing. You first show it. I'm like, okay. I know. So that was a nice experience. And even pushing the song, they involved me so much with my performances as well. So that's when I was up and down. I was up and down a lot in Joburg, and then go Artisan. That's when I was like hitting Amalogishi as well. And I was like, damn, you know, yes, it's now iyadi kwangathi seliyaqala
Yeah.
lit Jay. So that era for me was really dope. So that collab did a lot for me with MSK and them. And then there was another one with MSK and girl Uzinhlengiti, I'm forgetting her name.
Uzingiti.
Ungiti.
Don't know Chumaya.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. So I also did 2 collabs.
Ah,
So that was nice. I was just like, okay, I'm in the house space. I got booze. Okay. I went a show. Music video. She's like, yeah, man, the face. I understand how. Okay. And then, after that, which collab as well? I did a collab with Nadia as well. Styling. That was fire. Young Kinti styling with the red bats. Sports scene pulled through for that one.
Yes.
So that was the first time I had like a proper video production. Hey, go and say, okay, yeah. Now we're moving. And so that was nice as well. And then, I did a song with MT, but you guys, the song is not out yet. The studio session in its own was fire.
Yeah.
So that collab, I can't wait for you guys to hear that.
Yeah.
And then which other collab I did? Oh yes, Tony Diamond and Road Script. But those are just my G's.
Okay. Antwerp la collab.
Yeah.
Yipi dream collab Dream.
It's so unfortunate because I get this question a lot.
I think I know what you're gonna say.
I saw Zipinde Yenzek.
Yeah, I think I know what you're gonna say.
Yeah.
Supermag.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah.
Yo.
Okay.
That is my dream collab. That is my dream collab.
Yeah.
And you know what sucks is that but there was a time when COVID just before it got, I dropped your later with the Muslim and Fresh Click. You were like, I pull up like all I ate because if I was going crazy on that. So, my phone is like buzzing on YouTube. Abantu bayasho super make about me here, in the comments. So it turns out he actually posted the link to the song on his Twitter. Dude, and it was crazy. And it went crazy. And then shortly after that, it's going to on the next episode of Manje. That was my dream collab, I'm not gonna lie. But besides that, besides that, I don't know. I mean, I'm always open to working with everyone, but that was my dream collab.
Okay, let's say something overseas.
Yeah,
America.
Chris
Brown.
He's an amazing artist. He is an amazing artist.
All right.
Yo. I could watch my studio sessions of that guy on YouTube like all day. Like he is all round.
He's an alien.
I think he's amazing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. I think I feel the same.
Yeah.
Chris Brown.
No, like in general. No pressure yeah.
Invest ama collab engafuna ukwashaya inqwaba. Like overseas uJay-Z ukuthi angisamboni kakhulu collaboration
Ngasabona bamtrap ulo salonje.
Uwayne yazi ngagreen kanjani mfethu noJay Cole naye uJay Cole siyafaya yabona uJay Cole.
Mina ngibona ngathi wena mfethu uJadakiss yabona ngathi ngavuka ngicollab mase kufaka uJadakiss no ngitshela
Jadakiss
yeah but Wayne first wins the ultimate
local
Wayne bro.
Like uletuyani uSimamane ngathanda ukusebenza naye intwana like Tony Diamond ngiyathanda style abezela so manje like nice so ibona ke abantu local kwamanje
Ziyasha bana
wena
ngithe Chris Brown Jay
Chris Brown
okay into the same
international
international nationally obviously it's Java. I don't think it's a secret. Me, I can tell you, there's a couple. It's Java. It's Java. It's Zoe Modiga. It is Msaki. Okay, it's Java, Msaki. Zoe.
Msaki,
I'm happy there.
Yeah,
Msaki
ne?
ngayikhuluma naye. Her aura is amazing.
Yo, but I would
there
love
was
to
there
see
was
her.
this
Me
soccer
too.
the celebrity soccer thing that was happening in Joburg. So we went up for that. There was hip hop versus Banman.
Oh,
That
yeah,
one
I saw, yeah.
between gospel.
Oh, Timikoska yeah.
That one right there. I met Msaki there. Dude, her aura is so
That's just show
amazing.
moya nje,
Eh,
ungazi-
eh,
come on,
uthi
ngephi umoya.
unje, bese, athi, "No, njani?" Kodwa, "Hey, okay, girl." Like,
Okay,
great.
okay.
I'm
Nice.
such a fan.
I'm also a
Amazing.
fan.
Yeah, I would love to work with her as well. Actually,
Yeah. Nice.
Saki,
Yo.
come fetch our lives.
Where ma?
Mhlawumbe mfethu like sesivala kukhona abantu abake basikhohle kubamention abasebenza behind the scene, your management, obani osebenza nabo like lately.
Yeah. Behind the scenes, it's Nandi Management. Definitely Nandi Management. Led by Usbu Dog. Shout out to him.
Yeah.
My producers, in fact, no Dusty behind the scenes. Yo, khona omunye producer mfethu uthi he's from the UK. Usende esinye isigubhu nje. It's like that Questa Shandis. So baningi vets, I can't mention all of them, but then ibona futhi uSlaqa abantu abanjengani that I collaborate with as well. Shout out to Slaqa. We recently did an interview.
Nice, shout out.
Or Rico. Or Celeste Bona, or T-Bag, they are outside, they are pushing
T-Bag,
out the songs.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Or
yeah.
Sipom Chito DJ.
Or
Or Sarah, my
Shout them out.
03.
So I saw that they're pushing something you just told me.
Yes, they're pushing hip hop something, hip hop chamber.
Yeah.
So they have a
nice.
playlist and they're doing shows as well.
Yeah.
You know the last time was like Neta was like why?
Ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, they were hosting
So
something there.
Celestials
Yes, they were-
ngangikhona
No.
ngasinda.
Oh, why should
No ngahamba early because safika early bra safika ngesikhathi.
okay, my bad.
Safika. So ngizovana emva kalokho.
But they're pushing. So it's all the
Nice.
DJs, it's all to everyone that's behind the scenes in the culture. Bono, so that are
Yeah.
pushing our songs as well. And yeah, we
Yep.
love it. Yeah,
Dope,
and we
dope,
appreciate it.
dope.
Dope, man.
And
love
the message yakho kuma creatives nabantu abasibukele today, if you have anything ongabatshela yona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course. I should have something, right?
I should, right?
I should. But ilokho nje ukuthi if anyone wants to get in the space, educate yourself about like what it takes to be in the space. I mean, I think my shortfalls happened when I didn't know what like an artist agreement is. I didn't know what mechanical rights are. You know, isn't it? So I tend I'm exposed. Shout out to Okumisa, shout out to all
shout
of
out.
those are the people actually in the
Yeah.
background as well that you should have
Shout out.
mentioned.
Yeah.
So educate yourself. It doesn't mean who's hama manju uyo enroll somewhere, but take time to know about your business. 'Cause
Yeah.
music is a business at the end of the day. That's
Yeah.
me and what I can tell. I'm a creative. Musu kucabanga ukuthi music ungene studio ushawile
Ushawa ubhiya.
yabo kushawa ubhiya
Right.
mfethu so mayazi ayababa mfethu
Uyababa
yababa.
ingoma.
I've had so many experiences with Amalo because mina njengoba ngisho I work with like a lot of creatives. Okay, kumnandi bele studio but mase kumele sipushe. Uyabona
Asapushe.
akusekho lapho like so educate
Yeah.
yourselves about what it takes to get your work out there. The fun part is the studio. But the work is like when the song is done now and what we do after
Wenzakalani?
that.
Must make sheets and all
So
that
yeah,
shit.
exactly. Zonke lezo zinto
Eish.
mfethu.
Yeah.
Sike saba nenhlanhla nje kulezi inyanga edlule for iMetro conference.
Last week.
We were talking more, they were talking more about things like that. Yabo leyo.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ama artists ayathanda ukuvele kube mnandi
Kumnandi
kushawe
nje,
ingoma
kuyagroove,
nikhohlwe ile side elibalekile then
Yeah.
ngokuhamba kwesikhathi niyaqala
Siyaxatshana.
niyaxabana
Yeah.
manje.
Yabona nje
Yabo
ayikho into ezoba the biggest one was iJerusalem manje ayikho into eyodluleleyo. I'm sure abantu bangafunda lapho.
Yeah, ne? Oh,
Yeah.
yes,
But ukuthi
Jerusalem.
siyabadinga as much as I'm an artist, there's a new artist every day. But is there a new manager every day?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
there because is there a new road manager? Is there a new booking agent every day? You
And
know
also
what I'm
if it's
saying?
going to be like your sister or your brother, they must first educate themselves as well.
That's
Yeah.
why it's balekile, just educate yourselves about this thing. Because also nathi siyathanda vethu ukuthi mina in my ideal world I would literally just worry about making the music.
Yeah.
But knowing ukuthi I have people that I can trust. Mhlawumbe yes, we'll do it a few times here and there, but I know ukuthi they got it handled. That's how an artist develops. You must find a team that can allow you to be the best artist you can be.
Watch Java, what's in jail? We were at the Cozy FM. The best thing that ever happened to him was getting a team because now she was my pep.
Yeah.
Using both the brains, the sides of the brains.
So we need managers.
What's in the pools last Java? Shout out to Java with the lecture I share on that workshop that day, Benolerato and the professor. Shout out to those guys. That was a very moving session. Abantu bekhipha ubona besifundisa ngezinto ukuthi
and they were vulnerable.
Lelelani musana ungena studio nithi nishaya ama hits.
Ayikho lethu hits. People decide that.
Yabo ibane session. I-session ezonilidele ekutheni abantu bayithande lento igcina ingoma iba yi-hit ngeke uzukwazi ukuthi isoshaya i-hit-ke namhlanje bethi besikhuze bethi musana ungena e-studio nethi
noshaya ama-hit
hayi i-hit
yoshaya i-hit yoshaya i-hit yoshaya i-hit
sofuna ukurap
lapho yoshaya i-hit
njengephilisi iphilisi kanti iphili kodwa futhi
ngene studio uthi yoshaya i-hit kodwa futhi awukho fit yabo leyo nalabo abaorapper nabo bangakushaya ngo-beats yabo leyo
yabanda hit
ayikho uhluleka ngisho uhamba on the streets yabo leyo uhamba they can't fit kanti ekhanda awukho fit
and you are ropa and you cheat
sesivale utholakala kanjani bethu abantu mabekufuna
it's at Nels Africa NELZ. Is it nails?
Manicure, pedicure.
Nelisiwe Nails. Because my birth name is Nelisiwe. English.
Just ngisi
sazokhuluma nalesi ngifuna liminus ngisibona isidingo sakhe but it's Nelisiwe so it's Nails nemfethu now fanele singisi nani
mina blessing
mina I have two.
Jesus Christ
no welile zamanguni kumede
out ayilele lokuqala ngeke ngikwazi ukulisho ngoba silala
ungasalisho
Chrysostomus
nomanga nhliko ngeke
elokuqala ngoChrysostomus cabanga uma ukuthi wayesiqembu sangasala igama engathi ngifika esikoleni mangifika ngiyafunda ke vele first year uthisha akwazi ukulibhala wazi wangiqama mina ngaqala nje uthisha uthi ngublessing because of akakwazi ukubhala uChrysostomus wathi hayi from today ublessing ukubhala ublessing yabizwa ngoblessing
wena ukwazi ukulibhala
ngangilazela uChrysostomus ngaze ngathola sekudala salithola i-definition
Christmas phakathi
kodwa umas
no Chrysostomus no Christ no wonke into phakathi
so it's those
elasemkhosini kodwa mawulibuka linokuceba umuntu odope linokuba dope linokuba
mkhosi Igbo
cha uyakubona ukuthi kanjani umuntu ongathi uyinkosi
hayi mina sengizizwa ngomChrysostomos
utholakala laphi ngawena
okay ngiyatholakala yonke indawo umhliko restore wonke umuntu uyangazi if ungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje so Facebook Instagram TikTok
mina uArchive Africa across all social media platforms and also Creatives Unplugged podcast and in closing ngiyazofuna ukuthini happy birthday Beyonce
happy birthday Beyonce
happy birthday Beyonce happy birthday Vince
shine Chrysostomus shine
this was the day the name was made Chrysostomus
igama lama already siyabonga sizovala ngeperformance performance nails injalo siyangena ke manje asivaleliseni
bye happy birthday Chrysostomus
I gotta make it look easy, sleazy. My sfiga, vibe on mellow, but I'm happy no steezy. Hottest G in the game, no keezy. Just rhymes and melodies, flow criminal. felonies. Why but don't tell me enough for the remedies? Yeah, in Queto accused, but he excuse me, off speaker. Section exclusive, all inclusive. No new peeps, but intrusive. His Zospana is productive. It's pushy production. Out hip hop construction. But why best got the extension? Out shallow, mavugandwa na melo pandena. But you gave us cheese, gave us me, gave us cheese. Out shallow, mavugandwa na melo pandena. But you gave us cheese, gave us me, gave us cheese. Out shallow, mavugandwa na melo pandena. But you gave us cheese, gave us me, gave us cheese. Out shallow, mavugandwa na melo pandena. But you give back season, give back me, give back season. I'm in my juice.